Hello Word Study friends, welcome to this week in Word Study's Word Study Test for Feature Sort P, number 10. Please listen carefully as I say your words, use them in a sentence. You may stop this video at any time to catch up on any words you may have missed. Here we go. Number 1, adopt. I'm going to the pet store today to adopt a puppy. Number 1, adopt. Number 2, electrician. There seems to be a problem with some wires in my house, so I have to call an electrician. Number 2, electrician. Number 3, exception. I will make an exception to the rule. Number 3, exception. Number 4, digest. Please wait a few minutes to digest your food before going swimming. Number 4, digest. Number 5, assert. In some situations, you need to assert yourself. Number 5, assert. Number 6, magician. For my child's birthday party, we hired a magician. Number 6, magician. Number 7, presentation. When do you think your presentation will be ready for the class? Number 7, presentation. Number 8, accept. I am free every night except Tuesday night. Number 8, accept. Number 9, clinic. Today I'm going to the clinic for my flu shot. Number 9, clinic. And number 10, electric. We need to upgrade the electric in our house before we sell it. Number 10, electric. Let's go back through our first 10 words before doing our 2 curveball words. Number 1, adopt. Number 2, electrician. Number 3, exception. Number 4, digest. Number 5, assert. Number 6, magician. Number 7, presentation. Number 8, accept. Number 9, clinic. And number 10, electric. Your first curveball word for this week is ejection. In an astronaut's rocket, there is an ejection seat. Ejection. And number 12, optician. I need to go to the optician to get my eyes checked. Number 12 is optician. Please make sure that you have listened carefully to your words. Go back and re-listen to the video if you need to. And I will see you later on this week for your new word study words. Have a great day.